Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. First we are using black color. Kids, now we coloring the alphabet of A. First we are using black color. A for apple, A for ant, and the next one is B. B for ball. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, and the next one is D. D for dog, G for doll. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. Now we're using black color. G for goat, and the next one is H. H for hand. H. The next one is I. I for eyes. J for jackfruit, and now we're using black color. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Now we draw M. M for moon. The next one is N. And for nose. O for orange. P for pen. Q for queen. And R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. The next one is T. T for teacher. Subscribe to our channel. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. Subscribe to our channel. W for watch. The next one is X. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we draw and coloring alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.